Welcome to Chemistry KSET revision test number 6 before the examination by VRK Mohan. Let's start the first question. 1 gram of magnesium is burnt with 0.28 grams of O2 in a closed vessel. Which reactant is left in excess and how much? We done the calculation. Magnesium reacts with oxygen, forms magnesium oxide. In this reaction, 32 grams of oxygen is required to burn 48 grams of magnesium. So given 0.28 grams of oxygen require 0.42 grams of magnesium from this calculation. That means magnesium will remain in excess, that is 0.58 grams. So option B is the right option. Next question. The orbital nearest to the nucleus is S orbital. 4s orbital is the orbital nearest to the nucleus because N plus L is the formula. Next, which of the following is the correct order of radius? Usually, negative charged species will have bigger size than neutral. Neutral has bigger size than positively charged species. So here A is the answer for it because same kind of atom, hydrogen is giving a negative ion, positive ion in this system. So A is the right answer. Next question. The intramolecular hydrogen bond is present in. We have orthonitrophenol is there, which will give intramolecular hydrogen bonding. Next. The state of hybrid orbitals of carbon and CO2, methane and carbonate respectively. See, we have carbon dioxide, sp hybridization, methane, sp3 hybridization, carbonate, sp2 hybridization. So sp, sp3 and sp2. So C is the right option for it. Next question. For an ideal gas, compressibility factor is. Actually, compressibility factor for Z is equal to PV by RT. Ideal gas, this PV is equal to nRT. For 1 mole, it is Z is equals to 1. Next, the relationship between Kp and Kc is given. Kp is equal to Kc into RT per delta N. What would be the value of delta N for the reaction? Gases, so total number of gases, products minus gases, reactants. So we have products 2 are there. So 2 minus 0 is 2. Next question. Acidity of boron trifluoride can be explained on the basis of following concepts. In an acid base concept, we have Lewis acid base concept, which is explaining about the acidity on the basis of electron concept. So Lewis concept is the answer. Next question. For the redox reaction, X7O4 minus plus YH2C2O4 plus ZH plus CH to Mn2 plus NCO2 plus PH2O. The values of X, Y, M, N are. So these are the numbers given. If you go according to the balanced equation, X is 2, Y is 5, M is 2, N is 10. Next question. H2O2 is. It acts as both oxidizing and reducing agent. So option C is the right answer. Next question. Dead burnt plaster is. It's a calcium sulfate without any water. So A is the answer. Identify the following compound with exhibit geometrical isomerism. Usually double bonded carbon, butene, butene will exhibit cis and trans isomers, geometrical isomerism. For that conditions are there for each unsaturated carbon linked with different group of atoms or groups. Next, during the fusion of organic compound with sodium metal, nitrogen present in the organic compound is converted into sodium cyanide. So C option is the right option. Next question. The reagent X is used for the following reaction. That is triple bonded alkyne into double bonded alkene. Usually all the products are, all the options they are given as reducing agents, but In this particular case, we have palladium supported by coke as the catalyst used to form this is alkene. Next question. Which of the following ions will cause hardness in water? Usually calcium ions causes hardness to the water. So A is the answer. Which of the following oxides show electrical properties like metals? Usually chromium oxides given are said to be exhibiting electric conductivity similar to metals. D option is the right option. Next question. Which of the following aqueous solution should have the highest boiling point? We have 4 different kinds of options. And that third one is nothing but NH4NO3 only. Okay. So in that, which is giving more ion to sodium sulfate? So we'll go with sodium sulfate, which is directly proportional. I is directly proportional to the colligative property according to Van Hoff. So B is the right answer. Next question. The charge required for the reduction of 1 mole of permanganate to manganese dioxide is. So here, oxidation state calculation if done, then there is 3 moles is difference is coming. So 3 Farads is the answer. Second option is the right answer. Next question. For the reaction 2SO2 plus O2 gives us 2SO3, the rate of disappearance of O2 is 2 × 10⁻⁻⁴ moles per liter per second. The rate of appearance of SO3 is. So if you go according to the stoichiometric balanced equation, rate equations, then dB/dt of SO3 will be 2 into the oxygen disappearance. So that is substituted in the formula to get 4 × 10⁻⁴. So right option is B option. Next question. Which of the following electrolytes will have the maximum coagulative value of for AgAi plus is? It's very clear. Number of times in CET they are given in the previous Karnataka CET examinations. That is coagulative power decreases with increase in the charge. So sodium chloride Cl- is the answer. Next question. Electrolyte refining is used to purify which of the following metals? We have many of the metals such as copper, silver, gold, aluminum, lead, etc. are purified by electrolytic refining methods. So A is the right answer. Next question. Dry ice is nothing but solid carbon dioxide. Which of the following is an amphoteric oxide? Usually we have vanadium pentoxide and chromium oxides, manganese compounds, and chromium CRO. These all you observe. V2O5 is amphoteric, Cr2O3 is amphoteric, and manganese oxides are acidic, and chromium oxide is basic, vanadium tetroxide is basic. So in this list we have A is the right answer. Next question. IUP is name of CONH3 4 times ClNO2 Cl is. So amine will come first. So tetraamine, chloro, nitrato, N cobalt, 3 chloride. So A is the right answer. Next question. Which of the following statements is true in case of alkyl halides? See, alkyl halides cases we have insoluble in water but soluble in organisms, polar nature, undergo substitution or elimination reactions. So A is the right answer. Next question. Phenol can be distinguished from ethanol by a reagent, that is bromine water, or sodium metal, or iron chlorine water. See, in this we will get 2,4,6-tribromophenol. So with bromine water it gives this product white precipitate. No such reaction takes place in alcohol. So phenol can be distinguished by alcohol using bromine water. A is the right answer. Next question. Which of the following compounds undergo haloform reactions? To undergo haloform reaction, the compound must have methyl ketone group. So we have A is having methyl ketone group, or this kind of alcohol secondary, this kind of alcohol group. So is there, means that is answer. So A is the right answer. Next question. Which of the following will be most stable diazonium salt? See, in the diazonium salts we have benzene diazonium salt is resonance stabilized, that's why it's most stable. Next question. Which of the following bases is not present in DNA? we have DNA AGCT is there. So that means bases present in DNA are adenine, guanine, cytosine, thymine. So uracil is not there. So D is the right answer. Next question. Which of the following is polyamide polymer? Terlin, nylon 66, guanine, bakelite. So in this, nylon 66 is polyamide. You can see its linkage. Even bakelite linkage, you can see the difference you can observe. Okay. So on seeing all these things, nylon 66 is said to be polyamide. Next question. In FCC unit cell, it's shared equally by how many unit cells? Space centered cubic, usually 6 is the number of unit cells shared. Next. At a particular temperature, the ratio of molar conductance to a specific conductance is of 0.01 sodium chloride solution is how much? So we have lambda m is equal to k into 1000 by molarity. So in that, if you substitute the molarity 0.01, then you will get 10 power 5. So 10 power 5 centimeter cube per mole is option A. Next, isotonic solutions are having the same surface tension, vapor pressure, osmotic pressure, viscosity. It's very clear that is osmotic pressure. Next, the temperature coefficient of the reaction is 2. When the temperature is increased from 30 degrees to 90 degrees, the rate of reaction is increased by, see that how many times? 6 times increase. 2 power 6 is 64. So D option is the right option. K 90 degrees by K 30 degrees is 2 power 6. Next, gold salt is not a, it's not a macromolecular salt. Next, the common impurity present in bauxite is red and white. Red bauxite contains iron oxide. C option. Very pure nitrogen can be obtained by thermal decomposition of azides. So option D is the right answer for it. Next question. Which of the following oxidation states is common for all lanthanides? +3 is common for lanthanides. The electronic configuration of transition element X is +3. Oxidation state is 3d5. So the element oxidation state is +3. Its electronic configuration is 3d5. So what is its atomic number? You have to add just 3 for it. Then we add 3. Then it will become 3d6 4h2. That is iron. Next, N-propyl chloride reacts with sodium metal in dry ether to give. See, it is Williamson synthesis. When you do the Williamson synthesis, then you will get the first one, that is propyl means 6 carbon alkane will come. That is hexane will come. Next question. When vapors of tertiary butyl alcohol are passed through heated copper at 573 Kelvin, the product formed is, usually this alcohol undergo dehydration and forms 2-methyl propene. That is option C. Next question. What is the increasing order of acidic strength among the following? Methoxyphenol, methylphenol, nitrophenol. See, in this case, we'll discuss about electron withdrawing nature and increase the acidic strength of phenol, while electron donating groups decrease the acidic strength. So in this case, what we'll think is nothing but nitro group is there, electron withdrawing group, increase the acidic strength, while that of methyl group decreases. Methoxy group is still more electron releasing group, that is weak acid. So that means paramethoxyphenol less than paramethylphenol is less than nitrophenol. So option C is the right answer for it. Next question. Which of the following is more basic than aniline? See, the nitrogen should connect with the sp3 carbon. Such a case is available only in the options we have, that is benzylamine, that is benzylamine. Yl means that CH2 is linked with NH2. So no conjugation is happening because of that one. The basic strength decreases. Next, the two forms of D-glucopyranose are called. They are called anomers. Among the following, the branched chain polymer is. We have observed that LDP, that means PVC, that is polyvinyl chloride, and high density polyethylene are linear polymers. So low density polymers, branched chain polymers, while backlight is a cross linked polymer. So in this, we'll go with LDP. Next, edge length of tube is 300 picometers. Its body diagonal will be, for this edge length given. So in that, if we substitute body diagonal root 3a, then we'll get 519.6. So C option is the right option. Next question, which of the following is not a conductor of electricity? Solid state sodium chloride is the answer for it. Next question, for a cell involving 2 electron changes, E naught is equals to 0.3 volts at 25 degrees Celsius. Then the equilibrium constant of the reaction is. We have the formula gives equilibrium constant formula gives energy, that is log K. That formula E naught cell substitute 0.3, and the number of electrons transferred given in the question is 2, so substituted. After we got log K value 10, so K is 10 power 10, that is the option. Next question, the value of rate constant of pseudo first order reaction is depends on temperature. Next question, CH3 thrice SiCl, Cillian, organocillian polymerization of organocillian is, what is the reason behind polymerization? See, we have the chain length of organosilicon polymer controlled by adding CH3SiCl. Why we will use this one? Means the reason is a chain length can be controlled using this compound, trimethyl silicon chloride. When PbO2 reacts with constant HNO3, the gas evolved is, usually the oxygen gas will be liberated in these cases because it is a reducing agent. So it is an oxidizing agent, undergo reduction. Next, KMnO4 acts as an oxidizing agent in alkaline medium. When alkaline KMnO4 is treated with Ka, the iodine ion, they oxidize to IO3 minus in alkaline medium. So option C is the right answer. Next question, FeNO2 thrice Cl3 and FeON thrice ONO thrice Cl3. See, here linkage is different, so that's why it will go with the linkage isomerism. Tertiary alkyl halide is partially inert to substitution by an SN2 mechanism because insolubility. Steric hindrance, insolubility, instability, inductance. So tertiary alkyl halides are steric hindrance. Next, the products of X and Z are the following reaction. Given this reaction, we have substitution reaction taken place. There is a substitution product. After that, X came. After that, heating oxidation taken place. Then after this reaction gives phenol and acetone. So it is nothing but Cumming process. So in Cumming process, our Z value is, Z name is S2. So option A is the right answer. Isopropyl benzene, nothing but Cumming. Next one. The appropriate reagent for the following transformation is. So here, the ketonic group converted into hydrocarbon. So we can use that one. That is Wolff-Kishner. reaction. So in that reaction, we will use ethylene glycol, hydrogen, hydrogen with the hot KOH in ethylene glycol. So in case of zinc, if you take amalgam thick, that is will bring the substitution of OH minus by Cl minus. So that's why more effective reagent will be taken in the reaction. So option B, that is hydrogen KOH in the presence of glycol. Next question. The following reaction. So it is very clear that it is Ehart reaction. So you can tell the answer, that is nothing but B. Next question. The reaction of benzene diazonium chloride with aniline yields yellow dye. This is the coupling reaction. Name of the yellow dye. So in the coupling reaction we have para-aminoazobenzene be produced, that is B. Next question. The glycosidic linkage involved in the linking of glucose units in amylase part of starch is, we have C1 C4 linkage is there in this amylase. Next question. Ziegler-Natta catalyst is used to prepare LDPE, Teflon, HDPE, nylon 6. Usually this is high density polyethylene. So HDPE, Ziegler-Natta catalyst is titanium tetrachloride and triethyl aluminum mixture, that is Ziegler-Natta catalyst. This catalyst is used for the polymerization reactions. C is the right answer for it. Thank you. Best of luck for the coming examinations.